And go. And action. Go, Eya.
Good morning. Today, what's today? Tuesday. And yeah.
Bienvenidos.
Eh?
Buenos días.
I don't understand.
Penguins, attention! Penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot. Have you ever seen Penguins, attention!
Where is he? I'm gonna be perfect.
1, 2, 3, go! Go! Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Actually here alone.
Guys, hands again, huh? Let's put the hands and 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my god!
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, whoa! Jessica's gonna come. 1, 2, 3, go!
Shameless.
1, 2, 3, go!
Can I have one thing because I don't have spoon? No, the
Fork?
yeah, fork.
A fork on the table.
So you take onion, but I don't like it. Okay. You take tomato. Sorry.
This to remind you to clean after yourselves,
Yes,
okay?
yes, of course. Are you waiting, Johnny? Okay. After that, you can put salad if you want. Okay. After that, you can put meat.
Wow.
You're so annoying.
Yeah. ما ما cool background noise ده سامش I stupid وش بوكسيا
Calm down.
ده بدو تبلاريان كيف نسمع وجدك تسأيا وجدك تسأيا
Jessica! Wake up! Wake up! The sun is bright.
That's my jacket.
That's his jacket, of course.
Okay.
I should have slept, eh?
You were asleep.
No, I wasn't. I had my eyes closed.
That's the definition of
Jess.
sleeping.
Jess.
Oh, nice.
This is called apple baseball.
Just run after you. But throw that way, not that way.
you.
Eh?
I run.
Me runs, but run because you will get in the face. Come on.
Oh, oh, as if you will hit it. As if you will hit it.
Come on. Not like this.
Oh, okay. Wow, very far.
Yeah, that was like a goal.
I thought it was coming up.
Harim!
Yeah, you can't do this. But let's try.
Am I...
Please, like this.
Yeah, right. You might have to do like this show.
Yeah, do this whole show. Come on.
Wow. You first. Oh, hey, what up? Hey, Hey, Alex.
What the heck?
Ha, that's very light. Ha.
In my hair, yours is light. I had like a melon. الجاكيت. All right.
Guys, you're the winners. The last
Right now, I'm in a room full of Spanish people. I cannot understand a single word they're saying. Bora bora.
Bora Bora. Okay, so I'm trying to teach Maria. I'm trying to teach Maria. Loser. She's not a loser. How to play. You are a loser. How to play. Billar.
Good job. By the way, Bora Bora means, so if someone says Bora Bora, everyone else has to translate in English.
Or speak in English.
Yeah. So that's the end for today. I'm not shouting because I'm upstairs in the bedrooms and it's quite late. Good night and see you tomorrow.